A very good afternoon, all the students. Welcome to the English class. And today we are going to start the second part of Glimpses of India, and its title is Coorg, written by Lokesh Abrol. Coorg, you might be confused that this is a different country, but exactly this is a because the first line that has been given in introduction, Coorg is coffee country. So don't be confused that this is a different country. This is a part of India, and it falls in Karnataka states, and this is a hill station. And this place Coorg is famous for its rainforest and spices. स्पाइसेस जो दिल्ली के मसाले हम अपने यूज़ करते हैं खान पान में. एंड रेन फॉरेस्ट मीन्स डेंस फॉरेस्ट, मीन्स जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा घने जंगल होते हैं. एक ऐसा एरिया है जहाँ पर किस चीज़ के लिए फेमस है ये कुर्ग. दिस इज़ फेमस फॉर कॉफ़ी प्लांटेशन एंड different type of spices. So let's start the text. Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. Midway between Mysore is also is a city, and this place Coorg means is exactly in this paragraph. Writer is trying to tell us that the location of Coorg. What is the location of Coorg? So he is telling us that it is between Mysore and coastal town of Mangalore. Coastal town means जो समुद्र के किनारे एक मैंगलोर है शहर, उसके और मैसूर के बीच में एक है. And what name writer gives to this place? What he says? Piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. Drifted from means being carried along gently by air. मतलब जैसे भगवान के इसको एक हेवन की संज्ञा दी है, एक स्वर्ग का नाम दिया है, और ऐसा लगता है कि भगवान के किंगडम में से हवा के हल्के झोंके से बहाकर इस छोटे से पीस को इस मैंगलोर और मैसूर के बीच में स्थित कर दिया गया हो, रख दिया गया हो. मीन्स दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस. This land of rolling hills inhabited by a proud race of martial men. Martial man means brave people who are known for their bravery and their means who are very good at wars. So this land of rolling hills का मतलब एक के ऊपर हिल्स ऐसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप हैं. इनहैबिटेड बाय यहाँ पर जो लोग रहते हैं, बाय अ प्राउड रेस ऑफ मार्शल मैन, ब्यूटिफुल वुमेन एंड वाइल्ड क्रीचर्स. मीन्स दिस प्लेस इज वेरी रिच with the people of martial men who are very good at war. They are the very good fighters and beautiful women, यहाँ की सुंदर औरतें, and wild creatures means wildlife is also very fascinating and very attractive here. Coorg or Kodagu. Kodagu is the another name of Coorg. The people who the place Coorg is also known as Kodagu. The smallest district of Karnataka is home to evergreen rainforest species and coffee plantations. Means spices and coffee plantation means evergreen rainforest. Rainforest, I have already told you that this is some areas which are on the equatorial region, and there are very heavy rain in this area. That's why a very dense forests are found. So evergreen forest full of what? Spices and coffee plantation. evergreen rainforest cover 30% of the district, means ये near about 30% land of this district is covered by rainforest, thick forest. During the monsoon it pours enough to keep many visitors away, means during the monsoon period, because of heavy rain, visitors don't visit this place very often. The season of joy commences from September and continues till March. Means the winter season, or you can say the starting of winter season, which means from September to March, is the ideal time, is the joyful time, means jahan par happy time, or you can say when this is during this period a visitor can enjoy this place, is September to March. The weather is perfect with some showers thrown in for good measures. Means during this period the weather is perfect with some showers thrown in for good measures. Means इस समय हल्की कुछ हद तक कुछ हल्की फुल्की बारिश भी होती है, and that's why the weather is very pleasant. So the air breathes of invigorating coffee. Invigorating means the coffee that has a small that has a great smell, means everywhere in the air you can breathe the scent of the coffee, यानी कि कॉफ़ी की स्मेल आती है चारों तरफ, कॉफ़ी की फ्रेग्रेंस आती है चारों तरफ पूरे एयर में. कॉफ़ी estates and colonial bungalows stand tucked under the canopies in prime corners. Canopies is roof like covering that form shelter. मतलब आपने देखा होगा कई बार सड़क के किनारे कुछ कंपनीज जो हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को प्रमोट करने के लिए एक कैनोपी प्लास्टिक की लगाते हैं, तो इस तरह की यहाँ पर बहुत सारी कैनोपीज बनी हुई हैं. कॉफी स्टेट एंड colonial bungalows. Colonial bungalows means which were built by the ancestral people. बहुत पुराने लोगों के द्वारा जो बंगलोज बनाए गए थे. Stand tucked under tree canopies, जो पेड़ों के झुंड के नीचे, यानी कि चारों तरफ पेड़ हैं, उसके ऊपर एक तरह के कैनोपी का काम करते हैं, उसके अंदर उसके नीचे बहुत सारे कॉफी स्टेट्स और कॉलोनियल बंगलोज हर कॉर्नर पर, मीन्स एट एवरी प्राइम लोकेशन, बेस्ट लोकेशन पर मिल जाएंगे. मीन्स हेयर बेस्ट कॉर्नर्स, मीन्स हर जगह पर जो बेस्ट फिनोमिनाज हैं, सिनेरियोज हैं, वहाँ पर आपको इस तरह के पुराने बने हुए बंगलो और कॉफी स्टेट्स देखने को मिल जाएंगे. द फायर्सली इंडिपेंडेंट पीपल ऑफ कूर्ग आर पॉसिबली ऑफ ग्रीक और अरेबिक डिसेंट. फायर्सली मीन्स वॉरियर्स. The fiercely independent people of Coorg are possibly of Greek or Arabic. Here in this paragraph, the writer wants to tell us that what is the origin of the people who live in this area. So he says the fiercely independent means these independent warrior people of Coorg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. Means ये लोग कहाँ के हो सकते हैं, या तो अरेबिक हो सकते हैं या डिसेंट हो सकते हैं. यानी कि डिसेंट का मतलब वंशज. ये किसके वंशज हैं? या तो ग्रीक लोगों के. ग्रीक एक बहुत पुरानी सभ्यता है. दिस इज अ वेरी ओल्ड सिविलाइजेशन. और इट कैन बी अरेबिक डिसेंट. मीन्स इट मे बी पॉसिबली. व्हाई? बिकॉज देयर इज अ रीजन. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here when return became impractical. Means, you know, Alexander, who invaded India, who attacked India, and when his army was returning back, some soldiers of his army who saw that practically they cannot return back, मतलब वो वापस नहीं जा सकते, तो उन्होंने क्या किया? They moved south along the coast, यानी कि कोस्ट के साथ साथ साउथ की तरफ मूव करते गए. and what happened? They settled in this area of Coorg.